What is the relationship between an angle formed by a tangent line and a chord? Once again, what is the relationship between an angle formed by a tangent line and a chord? I'm a visual learner, like many of you, so I will definitely give you picture and illustrations of this question, but you already know what a tangent line is and what a chord is, and so we're talking about that in terms of a circle and what happens between that, what's going on with that angle. This is for 12-3 out of your textbooks, and let's go ahead and begin notes. Here's a reminder of how your notes should be set up to take notes from this video. Video title 1 was previous, so that's already done. We're on video title 2, and there is no video title 3. Okay, you only have 2 video titles for this section of notes. Now, for us to understand the relationship between a tangent and a chord, we have a theorem. So let's go ahead and take a look at the picture in the theorem. If a tangent and a chord intersect at a point on the circle, so here is our tangent here, and here's our chord here of a circle, and they intersect at this point here, then the measure of each angle formed is 1/2 the measure of its intercepted arc. That means, it's an extension of the last video, you guys. That means that measurement of angle 1 is going to equal, measurement of angle 1 here is going to equal 1/2 of this arc here. So notice this is still an inscribed angle. It's just part of the chord is now no longer inside the angle. It's kind of like just on the tangent of the angle. So this is still half of this AB arc here. And measurement of angle 2, which is here, will be half of this arc here, BCA. So it's half of this length here. Now it doesn't look really inscribed, but technically it's still using that similar theorem for inscribed angles and their intercepted arc. Okay, here's example 1. Please ignore this. The M that was for measure here for this arc is just got moved over for some reason. So this is find the arc of RST. So we're looking for the red arc. We have this angle measurement here, which is 102. So remember that this is double this whole arc length. So I'll take this, multiply by 2, and I get 204 for my arc length. The theorems make it feel so complicated, but they're really simple examples as long as you understand the theorem. So that is always the first step, is to understand the theorem. Okay, let's try one on your own. I want you to find the measurement of angle 1, which is right here, and you're given this intercepted arc of RT to be 150. So what is the measurement of angle 1 using that theorem? Take a minute, try it, think about it, pause the video, and I can go ahead and reveal your answer now. There you go. Your measurement should have been 75. You should have taken half of the 150, and that would give you 75 for measurement of angle 1. Okay, here's example 2. Make sure you write everything down and follow on when you're ready to follow on with me. BC is tangent to the circle, okay? And we need to find the measurement of angle CBD. Now remember, this angle twice, double this angle, and you'll be able to get this arc measurement here. And they told us the arc measurement is 9x plus 20. This is represented for this entire arc here. So if I just multiply this 5x by 2, remember double that angle measurement to get this arc, that would be equal to this arc. I would distribute, then I would solve for x, and I get 20. But they didn't ask for x, they asked for the measurement of CBD. So I'll plug 20 in. And then for x, and then I get 100 is the degree measurement. So then if this is 100, this has to be 200. Double check it. Plug in x for 20 and make sure that you get 200. So now you're ready to answer the question, what is the relation between an angle formed by a tangent line and a chord? And it has everything to do with the intercepted arc. The intercepted arc really tells us what the relationship is between an angle formed by a tangent line and a chord within a circle. I'd like you to review the examples, review the theorems, and then give your at least three sentence summary on this topic. You also are combining it with the other video summary, so your summary should be very lengthy, almost longer than a paragraph. Make sure you bring any questions that you have to class, and just a reminder that these notes are due now on Wednesday.